Morning. Wow. CPI came in pretty cool, pretty decent. It's going to put Fed in position to be able to do a 50-point basis cut. That's going to be good for the economy. It's going to be especially good for the banks. So let's see if we can take advantage of it as a team and as a group today. Drop a world emoji inside the chats, ladies and gentlemen. Morning, Courtney. Let's get it. Like, share, subscribe. So my thing is morning. If you're in the chat, drop a world emoji. Let's get to it. We got a few minutes before the bell opens. My thing is it's 9:26. We got 4 minutes and the market opens. Let's make some money. Let's keep it cool. And let's make sure that we walk out green today. Levels has already been sent out to people that's inside the Telegram chat. But online, I'm going to give the levels out once again, but we'll go from there. So, hey, Rizza, how you doing? All right. Hey, I wanted to say how you doing. How the kids doing? Hopefully the boys doing. Kaleem and I'm doing good. So let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Send me a text today. You got my number. Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. We got our levels at set. If you guys inside the regular group, you got the levels. If you guys inside the elite group, we already got the levels. Same levels for YM if we're going to trade that. But just be patient. No over trading today. Set your goal. If you reach your goal, go for it. And then just turn it off. That's good. They're doing well. I'm okay for the most part, taking it day by day. You know, it's just a foundation, trying to build it brick by brick. Trying to get in this market, make some money pretty fast so I can exit and relax and then go from there. 9:27 on the dot, ladies and gentlemen. Like, share, and subscribe. Send to family and friends. Let's rock and roll. So my thing is trying to get on this YouTube live and make some money. All right, YouTube, you be safe. You be safe. Make sure you send me a text, all right? Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you guys drop a heart emoji inside the group if you guys ready to make some money. SPY is currently sitting at 549 flat. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the market opens up in a little bit less than 3 minutes. All right, so let's rock and roll. What's up, Be Easy? What's up, Brandon? Let's go. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the market is the market. CPI data came in pretty good. So it's going to give the Feds an opportunity to do a half a basis point hike if they choose to. This is going to be a good indicator for banks. This is going to be a good indicator for the real estate sector. So my thing is more people will finance housing, more people probably will buy cars, more people will take loans at a cheaper interest rate. So 9:28 on the dot. We got SPY sitting at 549.04 flat. So my thing is a few plays that we got inside the group. Trade what you want to trade. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, respect your risks, respect your stop losses, and then we're going to rock and roll from there. Any questions, put it in the chat. Anything you guys are unfamiliar with, just let me know, and then we'll go from there. Anything you guys are unfamiliar with, just let me know, and we'll go from there. Right, just looking for a decent setup in the market. It's currently 9:29. We got less than a minute before the market opens. Let's take it for what she's worth, y'all. Let's take it for what she's worth. All right, we're gonna try to make sure we take it for what she's worth, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we got less than 40 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, less than 40 seconds. We'll see what the market gives. The SPY just did a dump. So my thing is we'll rock and roll from there, and then we'll go. All right, remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is real money you playing with, ladies and gentlemen. We got less than 24 seconds, so protect your real money. You follow me? All right. I'm going to put it on a smaller time frame. We're getting closer to put entry, ladies and gentlemen. Early. If we hit this target and we get a full candlestick to close below it, we rock and roll and we keep it moving. All right. So let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. The market's about to open up in a few seconds, and then we can go get it. All right, market is open, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. Be patient, ladies and gentlemen. Remember what I told you, be patient. So we open. We don't have a full candlestick close above our put entries. But my thing is, we below our put entry. Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. I'm taking the 545s and the 546s. Let's rock and roll. Let's see if it's going to give us what we need. Let's get it. Same day contracts. We rocking and we rolling, ladies and gentlemen. You guys should be in profit. We just hit our first target. Second target is 547.37 on SPY. We rocking, we rolling. Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, stock market is doing exactly what you guys would want it to do. So my thing is make sure you guys respecting your stop losses and respecting your pivots. All right, we in profit, ladies and gentlemen. We in profit. We hit our target, first target, and then my thing is you can always take profit off the table, and then our entry points for call still remain the same as we come up to the upside. All right, here we go. Plain and simple, ladies and gentlemen. You can exit out of your puts if you choose to. Depends on how heavy you went. All right, market is rebounding. So my thing, that's 1-for-1 on the day. Puts paid. Depends on how heavy you went, ladies and gentlemen. That's what it's all about. Putting yourself in position to go a little bit of heavy. All right, let's see. All right, keep your eyes on the prize. All right, watching the market, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna re-enter on some puts. If we break 547.37, I'm gonna get the 546 same day puts to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go in 5 to 6 contracts, and then we're gonna go from there. We got multiple levels as we hit coming down. Patience, patience, patience. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, patience is key. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, once we break this entry, let's get it. If we get a candlestick fully to close below here, we're gonna get in, we're gonna get back, and we're gonna make a bag. Let's go. I'm in. All right, be patient. Make sure you set your risk tolerance at the level that you're willing to respect. I got a 10% stop loss. 10% stop loss. Let's go. We in profit. Let's see how it moves, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how these puts move. All right, we in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we can bag up. Boom, boom. We coming, ladies and gentlemen. So my thing is we eating. You got an opportunity to take this bag off the tail. Won't you guys give yourself a round of applause? That was a good little drop. You could take profit if you choose to. Let's go. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, what can I say? Just try to get on here and get on live. Make sure that everybody is comfortable within trading. We in the profit, bro. We smoking the market right now. So 546.50, that's a target that we can hit. But my thing is, we got into this trade, ladies and gentlemen. We are cooking. So you can always take profit off the table if you choose to. This was another bag drop early morning trade. We're literally only 5 minutes in the market. 5 minutes in the market, ladies and gentlemen. We're trying to make it happen. 5 minutes in the market. 5 minutes in. Drop a world emoji inside the chat if you guys made money. We 2 for 2 on the day. We 2 for 2 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. Two for 2 on the day. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let them runners run. There we go. We hit the target, ladies and gentlemen. Target is hit. Target is hit. Ladies and gentlemen, target is hit. We're going to go ahead and drop that bag right there. Bag emoji. Target is hit, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys just made some money, sniper, no sniper. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Live trading, my thing is all about being accurate. My thing is all about being accurate, right? So you guys should be out of that trade. 2 for 2 on the day. My thing is, remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's all about running up the bag. All right, so my thing is you ain't gonna win every trade, but my thing is at the end of the day, you gotta be profitable in the trades that you win. Remember, you have to cut the losses fast, and you gotta let the winners run. Bag drop. Bag drop. Like you just said, flush, flush. So this is another opportunity for people to trade with me live, and I still got a few more minutes with you guys. We still haven't hit 940 yet. I'm just liking the way the market is, ladies and gentlemen. We just gotta be a little bit patient with ourselves. We hit these targets coming down. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we had our entry points at the top. We hit multiple targets coming down. So 3 targets hit. So my thing is, let's see if we can crash out and hit a few more targets. But the market is the market, ladies and gentlemen. Either you're going to play it or you're going to allow the market to slay you. So drop that world emoji in the chat if you guys made money, ladies and gentlemen. So my thing is, sell side we hit, banks came back in, but it don't really even matter because remember, we hit multiple targets coming down. First trade, 2 trades. So my thing is we're profitable on the day. You just have to pack a punch and feel comfortable when you're packing a punch. Y'all got it? That's what it's all about. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, smoke screen, they're going to show you something, but then they're going to go other way on other things. So just be prepared and understand that you got this. All right, so they flushing out futures as well. So my thing is let the market play out and you just be comfortable in your position. Drop the world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Drop the world emoji. So we got less than 2 minutes before 940 candlestick come out, and we can go from there. Got it? Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Flush, flush, flush. They gave us a major flush. Proctors and Gamble, ladies and gentlemen. I like that trade a lot. Proctors and Gamble. Proctors and Gamble, if you guys were in a group yesterday, the trade still stands, ladies and gentlemen. Proctors and Gamble is dropping, so those should be in profit. You should be taking a 175s for this week and 165 push for next week. Proctors and Gamble is down $2.29. Let's see if we can pull that up for you guys. All right, Procter & Gamble hit, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to put this on a 90-minute time frame, show you guys on how we actually hit these levels. So my thing is you guys are in business. We do have a 3-bar. We got 5:30, 7 o'clock, 9:30 counter came in. Entry 177.48, and it was a complete flush to the downside. Next target is 174.68. Procter & Gamble is good, is on the table. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's play the game the way it's supposed to be played. Y'all hear me? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, 3-minute time frame. We stuck a little choppiness on SPY, but my thing is we hit multiple levels, so I want you guys to understand we inside on a 3-minute, but it don't really even matter. We bagged up already. We got the flush that we was looking for. So the market has been open 9 minutes. We got less than 30 seconds before the 940 candlestick comes out. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the like button. Subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Leave comments. If you guys post on your social media accounts, tag me in it. My thing is I just want to continue to keep on delivering positive trades and good vibes and good energy. All right, here we go. Let's see what the market's going to give us. 940 candlestick came out, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all know what time it is. It's the time where the banks like to play games. So my thing is we're going to play games with them. All right, let's see if the banks allow us to play games with them. All right, so my thing is SPY's crunching, ladies and gentlemen. It's doing exactly what we wanted to do. SPY's doing exactly what we wanted to do, ladies and gentlemen. SPY's doing exactly what we want to do. So my thing is it's pre-market lows. My thing is it's coming back to the pre-market lows. So we pretty much have a double bottom here. So my take on the market is just be a little bit of patient. But we already bagged up in less than 10 minutes in the market. So my thing is if you went heavy, you drilled the market. There's nothing else you have to do. Any questions on that for Coach? Y'all know what time it is. It's game time. We got a few more minutes in this market. It's game time. Right? So remember, ladies and gentlemen, you got to shoot your shot. Right? Spy straight from the open. And to be honest with you, when the market opens, spy straight flush. So my thing is I always like to look at the 90-minute. That's why I like to set my levels. And once my levels are set, we come out, we crash out. I'm liking the way the market is looking, ladies and gentlemen. I'm liking the way the market is looking. There's so many opportunities. We just got to seize the moment, ladies and gentlemen. So many opportunities. On the 5-minute on SPY, we do have a hammer, ladies and gentlemen. We do have a hammer. So my thing is we'll see how we can position ourselves, and then let's see if we can make us some extra money coming on up. So remember our targets. 549.45 is our call entry, but we're going to take a test at 547.86. 547.86. We're going to take a tester there, and we're going to see if we can ride it back up if she actually do tip the scale and go back up. Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji in the chat if you made money. Right? Drop a world emoji in the chat if you made money. All right, it's 9:42. The market has been open 12 minutes Eastern time, so my thing is just be a little bit patient. The market is flushing. So my thing is this is what I like to see. I like to see us hit our targets early. So it gives us an opportunity to relax, give us an opportunity to sit on the sideline. Appreciate the world chat. Appreciate it. Everybody's bagging up. I'm getting messages, people bagging up, people doing pretty good. I know one of the clients said she smoked over 850 today. So my thing is the market ain't even been open 12 minutes yet. So my thing is if you trade the futures, the market is doing what we want it to do. So you got to just anticipate the move, play your levels, and then my thing is respect your levels. I'm going to respect the market. You got to respect the market as well. Talk to me, ladies and gentlemen. Put it in the chat. Do you guys enjoy the YouTube lives? So my thing is I do plan on doing them a lot more, and I am working on a lot of content. I want to be able to go fully digital, be able to teach from a digital standpoint. And then my thing is, because I want to be able to free up my time. I don't mind doing one-on-ones, but my thing is the price point is going to be a little bit different, but when people buy the digital content, it's going to be a little bit different. But ladies and gentlemen, SPY is currently at 546 flat. So my thing is SPY is flushing out again. So my thing is I want you guys to be aware. It's 9:43, finna be 9:44. We got a 9:45 candlestick coming out on a 15-minute. I'm gonna show you guys how to look, but we're a complete flush from opening. Complete flush. So my thing is, let's see what this 9:45 candlestick brings. And then my thing is we can make some noise from there. Talk to me, ladies and gentlemen. Put it in the chat if you made a bag. Drop a whirl in there. Somebody said I smell a flush. We already getting a flush. If we could smell a bigger flush, that'd be beautiful. But my whole thing is don't anticipate on the flushing anymore. Just play what's in front of you and take the bag off the table. All right, let's see what this market gives us, y'all. All right, 9:45, we got less than 20 seconds. Let's see what 9:45 brings us, and then we can go from there, ladies and gentlemen. So let's change this. 9:45, we're going to see what the 15-minute candlestick is looking like. If you guys are trading Dow Jones, we did just bounce off the lows of the day. Opportunity to take a bag off the table here. 9:45 candlestick is out, ladies and gentlemen. It's pushing up. This is how that 15-minute candlestick, we bounce, it's pushing. 5-minute, we forming, we going up. So my whole thing is be wary of the market. So my thing is have expectation and respect those expectations. All right, so I like how the market is looking, ladies and gentlemen. It gave us an opportunity to make money. We hit this double bottom here. So my thing is, let me make it a little bit more visual to you guys. Hit the highlighter, double here, double bottom where the orange is at. And my thing is we're bouncing up. But my thing is we need to break above 546.50 to make sure this market is actually trying to trend on a smaller time frame. But my thing is the overall trend to the downside 15 minute is a flush out. So bag drop. Bag drop, bag drop. So my thing is the low of the day is 545.70, 545.70. We need to break 545.70. If we could break 545.70, I feel comfortable going to the downside. And then we got a few more levels to break down there. And then my thing is you can feel comfortable. So low of the day, ladies and gentlemen, 545.70. We're 20 cents away from that. So my thing is if you guys are playing the market, play the market safe and be honest and be fair with yourself. The market will give you opportunities to make money, and the market will give you opportunity to destroy yourself. So don't destroy yourself. My thing is reward yourself. All right? Put it in the chat if you guys have any questions, but drop a world emoji if you guys made money. Drop a world emoji if you guys made money. So my thing is, y'all see we crashed out on this 3-bar. 9, a 9:15, 9:30 came out, straight push to the downside. There's no calls in sight. So my thing is, there we go. We just crashed out, ladies and gentlemen. We just broke below 545.34. And my thing is, the rest is history, ladies and gentlemen. So my thing is, if you guys still in runners like me, you could take your runners off the table. You could take your runners off the table because my thing, we pretty much hit all of our targets coming down. So 545 flat is the next target. So let's see if we can actually hit that, and let's see if we can bounce up. Any questions on that, man? We just hit 545.09. We just hit 545.02. There we go. How you guys feeling about that? Drop a world emoji. Bag drop, bag drop. Bag drop. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So my thing is, there you go. Opportunity to make money, it always presents itself. You just got to take what? Full advantage. You just got to take full advantage. All right? I'm here to help you actually maximize your potentials. I'm here to be that voice. And then my thing is, I understand how the market can actually play mind games, and that's why I'm here to actually help you achieve that. And let's rock and roll, man. Any questions, put it in the chat. Any questions, put it in the chat. All right. This was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. We bounced off those, broke the previous low, went down 68 cents from there, and then my thing is we retraced. I like the market. You know what I'm saying? I like it, I like it, I like it. So congratulations to everybody that's making money. What's up, Reed? What's up, Kels? Congratulations, man. This is where it's at. My thing is, I pride myself on being there for the group, being there for the team. So my thing is, trades we take them together. So my thing is, a win is a win and a loss is a loss. But my thing is, we not trying to compound losses. We trying to compound wins. So let's continue to keep on being great. So we got a few more minutes, ladies and gentlemen, looking to exit stage left at 10 o'clock. If you guys got anything that you guys want to fill me in on it, type it in the chat. Let's continue to keep on rocking. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we can't rock without having proper structure, right? The setup got to be there. Setup has got to be there, ladies and gentlemen. Setup has got to be there for us. So let's see what this 5 minutes look like. It's looking terrible. It's looking terrible. It's looking terrible. So drop a world emoji in the chat if you guys made some money. Drop 10 of them because I know everybody should have bagged up. If you inside my group, you got the levels. You guys know how I play the game. I'm looking for hard levels. I know a lot of people like to pay the strat. It's cool. I like it. But my thing is, I like to set my hard levels. And then my thing is, once we surpass these levels, I feel real comfortable getting into a trade and taking full advantage of it. Inside my group, we do use something that's a 50%er, but I haven't been using it. I've just been plotting it myself, plotting the levels that I like, because sometimes the 50%ers don't even hit the levels that I really truly like. It can be in between or it can be below. So my thing is, lower today is 545.01. If we can break that, ladies and gentlemen, I will feel comfortable doing a 543 and a 540 for tomorrow. So just be a little bit patient. Be a little bit patient, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take this money off the table. Remember, if you ain't have a bag drop today, in the morning. Remember, you still have time. Remember, let's make it happen. If you guys looking to be coached and if you guys looking to join and win a team, you guys know how to find me. You guys know how to find me on Twitter. You guys know how to find me on TikTok. You guys know how to find me on YouTube. So let's make it happen. We got a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen. We got a few minutes. Let's see if we can make it happen. Let's see if we can break the rules here. So my thing is be prepared. I know the market has been dropping. It's been going up. It's been going up. It's been dropping. But my whole thing is don't let it drop while you in your bag, right? So take your bag off the table. All right, I see the bags. Brandon dropped like 30 world emojis and some bags. So congratulations on that, my brother. Congratulations on that. So the low of the day on SPY is 545.01. 545.01. Microsoft is still holding. It's still positive on the day. Intel is getting flushed out. You guys took NVIDIA. You guys should be in profit as well. That was inside the group. Apple's looking pretty decent. But my whole thing is, what can we say, ladies and gentlemen? The market is doing exactly what we wanted to do, hitting our targets, hitting all of our levels. And then what can you say? What can they really tell you, ladies and gentlemen? We hit all our levels. What can they tell you? They can't tell you anything, right? Only thing that I would try to tell people, just pay close attention to what's going on to your surroundings in the market. And then my thing is just execute. That's what you have me for as your coach. No problem. I don't mind sharing the knowledge, bro. I don't mind sharing the knowledge, right? Because my whole thing is at the end of the day, I can't take it with me, right? So if I can share knowledge to help you and your family, your loved ones be successful, my job is done, right? Because remember, at the end of the day, there's enough money in the market for everybody to eat. There's enough market for everybody to share, but everybody's not going to want the information. You know, family members is not going to want the information. They're going to just want you to give them money, right? So my thing is, in the trading community, it's like we alone, right? It's like when I was a runner, running a lot of marathons, my family, my friends, they didn't run, so they didn't understand the community on why I get up running in the rain. They didn't understand why I'm running on Sundays 20 miles, 22 miles, right, just to prepare for a race. They didn't get it, all right? So, but my thing is running and trading builds up discipline, all right? It builds up discipline. So my thing is, if you're not willing to be disciplined, don't get in this market. Please do not get in this market if you're not willing to be disciplined, right? Discipline is key, all right? So don't sit on the sideline. If you got the information, my thing is execute. And if you guys are trading futures, it's another opportunity to make money as well. But I just like the way the market is looking. It's giving us a hell of opportunities to make money, all right? Hell of opportunities. So if you guys made money, please drop that world in chat. Please drop that world in the chat. And like I said, I appreciate you guys. You know, a lot of you guys are very respectful. A lot of you ladies are very respectful. You guys never too much question me in a negative way. You guys trust my setup. You guys trust how I trade. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. You know, subscribe, share with family and friends. I love to give this game out. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, win, lose, or draw, you got to trust yourself. All right, SPY's getting killed. We got a new law today. SPY's getting killed. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, all wheels out. We did hit multiple levels. Target 3, and we got runners at 543.38. 543.38. So my whole thing is, remember, you don't have to be greedy, but you got to pack a punch. All right, drop that world in the chat. What's up, Rose? Drop it in there. Drop it in, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, man. Coach, get on this live. We don't miss. You just got to be patient and listen. Drop that world emoji in the chat. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we got a little bit less than 6 minutes, and we're going to exit stage left. Patience, ladies and gentlemen. Patience. Let's get it. Drop a world emoji in the chat, y'all. Let's get it. Loving it, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, you have to trust yourself, trust what you see. and get inside of a group that cares. Look at the VIX. Yes, yes, how the VIX is looking today. Let's see what the VIX is looking like. VRX. Let's see what we got. Yeah, VIX is up 35 cents on the day. Let's see, UVXY. So let's rock and roll. UVXY is looking good on the day, but my whole thing is be a little bit patient with her. I want to show you guys. All right, so patience, 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 ladies and gentlemen, patience. Patience. Patience, patience. That's what it's all about, patience. Everybody want to be completely right. It's okay to be wrong in the market. Patience, please, practice patience. Patience is key, y'all. Patience, patience. Let's go, let's go. All right, we got less than 4 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Less than 4 minutes, and I'm exiting stage left. You guys know how to reach me. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe, share with family and friends and loved ones. And my thing is keep people around you that feel the same way you feel about the market, right? Please, don't compete with nobody. Compete with yourself, right? Try to be better than you was yesterday. Try to be better than you was yesterday. Got it? Don't compete with nobody but yourself. All right? So if you guys like this, drop a world emoji in that, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji in the chat. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got, we just hit a new low of the day, 544.81, and the market is crashing out. Crash out, y'all. Crash Bandicoot, y'all got it? Market is crashing out. Market is crashing out. There we go, 540.60, ladies and gentlemen. Market is crashing out. Bag drop, bag drop. Let's go, let's go. All right, this the game, ladies and gentlemen. We got less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. All right, so let me see. And everybody is so familiar, they use something that's called a 50%er. So my thing is, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Switch it to the 90-minute. Let's see what we got. All right, so let's see what we got. We got the previous month 50%er at 537.24. We already hit the a few 50%ers coming down, but my thing is, at the end of the day, I don't need it. Don't really too much care for it like that. You know, my thing is we crashed out at 544.59, and my thing is that's the low of the day. We got less than 2 minutes before 10 o'clock comes, ladies and gentlemen. I'm waiting on 10 o'clock to come, ladies and gentlemen. I'm waiting on 10 o'clock to come so I could take full advantage of 10 o'clock. All right, so my thing is I'm going to let you guys exit stage left in less than a minute. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, like, subscribe, and share. We didn't have to be on here long to make any money. You just had to be what? Cooperative, and you had to be patient, and you got to take the risk, right? All risks can yield rewards, but all risks teach you a lesson, right? If you don't risk anything, you don't make anything, right? So my thing is, when you're risking in this market, you got to be willing to do what? Take the bag off the table if you're winning. So 10 o'clock, we'll see if we get a complete flush. At 10 o'clock, we'll see if we get a complete flush. We'll see if we get a complete flush. $10 o'clock on the dot, ladies and gentlemen. We just flushed out a new low of the day. So my thing is, y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Thank you guys for tuning in with me. I appreciate you guys. We're going to continue to keep on running this bag up daily. We're going to continue to keep on growing as a team. Remember, we just we getting close to the runner area. So my thing is, don't take it lightly. Don't take it slightly. And then my thing is the market just crashed out like Crash Bandicoot. So my whole thing is risk plus discipline equals reward. Risk plus discipline equals reward. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We getting close to those runners, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is the game. So if you guys made money, congratulations. If you guys didn't make no money, I don't know what live you guys was on because everybody bagged up. I'm out. Peace.